Hey YouTube, welcome back. What is this, part 4? I believe. If we look at this correctly. Yeah, part 4. So this is the just getting over the halfway mark of the packs I've opened. Hope you guys have enjoyed the first 3 parts. Part 1 kind of started off slow, but I must be really unlucky in that. But the last 2 parts have been pretty cool. So be sure to check them out. Definitely worth watching. Some nice surprises that came out of these packs. I'm very happy now that I purchased these, obviously, for under $2. I actually have more that I purchased for, I think it's like $2 actually. The next one, actually, yeah, it was $2 a pack. I don't remember how many I purchased though. How many was it? Gotta check now. Hey. Yes, 26 packs more, so yeah, I bought another 26 packs from another user. I just had a buy now price. I ended up doing that, but yeah, they're $2 a pack again. I love this, $2 a pack. I don't even know why I buy boxes anymore. I paid $3 a pack essentially for these things. I can just get them $2 a pack. So much better. I love it. What do we got? Kakuna and a Krokorok. That's what I thought it was. Oh, not Krokorok. Krookodile. My bad. It's late. It's 11 o'clock at night. A weeknight. You guys probably won't see this for another like month, which is fine. Team Plasma Badge. Onix. Super Energy Retrieval. Pachirisu. Cacnea. Hoot, Starly, Ponard, Litwick, and another Nipking. So I think I have completed the uncommon or common to rare set already, probably, which is nice. So we've got a Team Plasma Badge, Krokorok, Staravia, Sandile, Nidoran, Rattata, Makuhita, Dino, Pachirisu Reverse, and a Weavile. I don't know if I got a Weavile. Either way, I have one now. Hands and back getting a little bit tired, making 7 parts. But yeah, Jolteon, 7 parts mainly because I did another video before this about my base set packs. Ooh, you saw that. My bad. Go try to rush to that part. Eevee Reverse, even cool, man. Yeah, Latios EX. It's my second one. Sweet. So I got a second one now. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yep, second one, but pretty sure I'm gonna keep that because I like Latios and Latias. They are a very nice design for a card. So, Shadow Triad, Dragonair, Mawile, Dratini, Nidoran, Rattata, Sandile, Yamask, and Mr. Mawin. So, another good part. A little bit less than the other one, but I've already almost meet my quota for these total packs. So, sweet. I'm liking the ratio. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for part 5.